Eagle, come on.
That is a banshee. We have banshees here.
It's it.
They're like Hulk open the door or something.
Taliban's done.
Are you serious? I'm not throwing dirty underwear at you. You little fuck you. I hate you, Dan. No, you asshole. I hate you. Someone give me my boxers. I need those. Dan, terrible.
No!
You little fuck. I'm gonna kill you. Terrible as like Google is overactive with porn results.
Hey! Google! Hey! Asian ass
Type
porn!
in A and it goes Asian ass porn.
Stop! Don't try to
Now. You gross faggot. I hate you.
You little shit!
You just Louis in Andre's hair. Wow. You look at it. Punch him in the face. Punch him in the face. I challenge you to Mortal Kombat. Chuck Norris.
Woo!
Oh, whoa.
Stop it down first. This is disgusting. Right in the hair. Yes.
I said a beef hot legs.
I said a beef hot legs. I said a beef hot legs.
I said a beef
hot legs. I said a brat beef kielbasa hot smoked sausage cheddar. What? I said a brat beef kielbasa hot smoked sausage cheddar. What? When I say a shot, you say fun. Hit ya.
Fun! Go me!
You gotta go, bro. Don't do that. No, you can't do it, Andre. I'm not good at it. Stop jacking off into your own microphone, queer. I'm Captain White. It's holy.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hello!
Hello, Governor. Hello, Governor. Welcome to your
What are you gonna do to that?
Go. Hello, Governor. Bring it over here. I'm not coming down. I'm gonna put it like.
No! Hello, Governor! Hello, Governor! Oh, yeah. Look at my white governor now. Awesome.
White snake. Oh, what?
Oh, hello.
Hello. Oh, God. Someone spray some Axe. This is terrible.
Ryan, spray on your ass.
I have sunscreen. Who wants jizz?
Oh, it's Captain Sticky!
I need my backpack. Hand it to me.
Here comes the jizz.
No, give me my backpack.
Alright.
You touch my moose, I'm gonna fucking eat you. I love the power videos, especially when it's like bug out. Yes. Wait, that's my stuff. It's about to ready.
Okay. Here, I paused it. No, I'm still recording.
My dick's a canyon. It'll come so fast, you'll think it's a canyon. Help me, the quarterback to Kenya.
Oh, black like that?
I'm black on the inside.
Oh, hell. Oh, red lemon. Smells good.
Yeah, it...
Bug out. Bug spray. This is disgusting. It's Menuji for men.
It comes in all new flavors like banana, fizzbitch, and gun.
Now with preposterous amounts of testosterone.
Preposterone.
Oh, very gone.
Oh, hello.
Oh shit, I have crackers.
I love crackers.
Oh,
No, alcohol's legal.
Stop, I'm putting my contact to it.
I got jizzed on.
I got jizzed on.
Get over here, Brian. You need some jizz. You know, marijuana is illegal, but alcohol is not. I mean, people get drunk and go home and beat their wives. Yeah, marijuana. But if someone goes marijuana high, like they just quarter full cookies at people. They'll be like, I mean, how much damage could cookies do, honestly?
Yeah, like how? Look, there's like.
Ew, soggy cookie. Dad, did you enter the fart? Yeah, we're when you had fart.
I said a beef hot mix.
It wasn't taco night.
Oh no, tacos. I left a taco. I was like, oh, I left a taco.
Yeah, Ben over there with his brick shit. You know.
Yeah, his brick shit.
He's
He's got like.
out in the floor of bricks. If he has enough burritos, he could like build a house. It's a Mesopotamian house. It'd be awesome. This shit tastes good.
You're not supposed to have food in the cabinet.
Brick
Oh, well.
shit.
No, that's not. You can't.
I don't know what I'm doing right now.
All I know is I have to clean my stuff tomorrow.
Med's an ass.
Yeah, he's a sticky Dan.
He's a sticky Dan?
He's Sticky Taliban Dan. No, that's me.
Taliban Dan. Taliban Dan.
Muffins!
I drew a muffin on my star thing. Brian thought he thought it was true.
Have you ever tripped on shrooms?
Not only do I fall down the stairs, but I also trip up them as well.
No, I tripped when on shrooms.
I tripped on shrooms once. It was like, you know, I took some and I'm like, I don't really feel anything yet. Feel a little sick, but nothing left yet. And then I was like, whoa, massive trip. And I looked at the clock. It said 11:15. So I ran around the block a couple times. I took a cold shower, and I took a 20-minute nap. I looked at the clock, 11:20. I never been that high that early, so I went to the movies. I looked back at the clock.
No.
11:22. I'm like, damn,
Talk
this is
is
strong
like
stuff.
condom.
What? Brian, did you just say condom? I've never heard Brian say condom before.
Oh, Brian doesn't have any jizz.
Brian needs jizz.
Oh, you juiced all over Brian.
I am in my pants, in my pants, in my
He likes to make nieces with his stuffed moose. It's kind of scary. It's a stick and moose.
Oh, the moose song.
Alright, let's sing the moose song.
Do I sing the whole song?
No, don't sing a whole song.
Yeah, sing the whole song.
That's a what a waste. This is gonna be like 60 megabytes.
Ew, it smells like ow. It smells like shit. Yeah.
Go on.
That's not.
Ew.
Oh, hello.
Tastes
Oh,
like
hello.
Oh, hello.
Oh, sorry, that might have been me.
Oh, once there was a moose.
Once there was a moose.
He liked to drink a lot of juice.
Like to drink a lot of juice.
Once there was a moose.
Once there was a moose.
He liked to drink a lot of juice.
Who likes to drink a lot of juice.
Singing oh, singing oh, oh, whoa, 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 Moose's name was Fred. Shut your fucking mouth.
The moose's name was Fred.
He liked to drink his juice in bed.
He liked to drink his juice in bed.
Moose's name was Fred. Moose's name was Fred. He likes to drink his juice in bed.
Oh shit! I just lost the game.
Oh, you son of a bitch.
Don't we have to yell the
Cheers.
game? Don't we have to yell the game again? Oh, remember the guy at Chucky's used to that.
Singing away, oh, singing away, oh, ooh ah, 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 way away.